He's here to share in this kitchen. Sunny care, Sunny love you.